Are your cooling fans staying on? I bet I know why. Stay tuned to find out on these top 5 problems on the Chevy Sonic. Our first problem on the Chevy Sonic is going to be code P0496. This code will cause a check engine light and is most commonly a purge valve. This is easy to diagnose. We'll go to the top of the motor, we'll remove the purge valve, we'll disconnect the electrical connector. With the purge valve removed from the vehicle, it's very easy to diagnose. These valves are typically closed, therefore you should not be able to blow through the valve. So when you blow in this end, air should not come out this end. It should have a block right in the middle, but if you can blow straight through, it's no good. If you're able to blow through the valve, it's going to be time to replace the purge valve. Problem number 2 on our Chevy Sonic is going to be a lean code. This will pull the check engine light code for P0171. This is going to be caused by unmetered air entering the engine, causing our fuel mixture to be off. What we're going to be looking for is rips and tears in the boot after the mass airflow sensor. We're also going to be looking for leaks in the valve cover. The reason we're going to be looking at the valve cover is because the PCV system is actually built into this. Problem number 3 on our Chevy Sonic is going to be oil leaks. Oil leaks on this motor are going to be most commonly found between the oil pan and the engine block, and then the timing cover and the oil pan. Both of these can be found on the passenger side, and they're very easy to diagnose. Problem number 4 on our Chevy Sonic is going to be an inoperable window. This is most commonly a window switch. However, in some cases, it may also be from a bad window motor. Problem number 5 on our Chevy Sonic is going to be that loud fan noise. While you might think it's a fan problem, it's actually stemming from a thermostat problem. This problem will usually pull a code P0597, which is a heater control circuit code. This is caused by a bad temperature sensor that's built into the thermostat housing. If you have this code and your fans are staying on, you're going to need to replace the housing as an assembly, which you can get at 1aauto.com.